Hey guys, welcome back to Baby Chick's YouTube channel. I am Nina Spears, the Baby Chick, and today we are going to check out Cheetah Living's new Mila Power Nursery Swivel Glider. I love decorating a newborn's nursery and finding the perfect pieces to make sure that it's great for parents and baby. So this glider I've heard a lot about. I figured we should unbox it and test it out together. Let's do it. All right, now that I've had a little time to test out the Mila glider, I'm going to share some tips that I think you need to know that would be really helpful if I had known. First, you're going to see that out of the box, it comes in two separate pieces, the base and then the backrest. So it actually is pretty simple to easily put that in, and you'll also find the two side pieces are tucked away under the base, so we had to pull those out, and those just slide on. So it really is super easy to assemble, but I do not recommend assembling it first before you decide where you're going to put your glider, because I was assembling it downstairs, but I wanted to put it upstairs in a different location. I had to unassemble the whole thing and then carry it up because it is a lot wider when you are carrying it fully assembled. So if you have to carry it upstairs or go through a doorway, I really recommend that you keep it disassembled, move it to the location that you are going to put your glider in, and then assemble it together. But as I said, it's really simple to put together. You just slide in the backrest, then slide on the two sides. Voila, you're done. You'll also see that you have this plug, and it goes in on the back side, back right corner of the chair, and you plug it in just right here. And then you're going to attach it to then your outlet. Now you're all hooked up and ready to start gliding. My other tip that I recommend is make sure that the chair is not too close to the back wall. This chair is wonderful that it fully reclines almost all the way back to a laying flat position, which I think is so nice because as parents with newborns, oh my goodness, we get really tired. And to be able to adjust exactly the level of recline that we want to do, I absolutely love. So just double check, make sure that you are not too close to the back wall. Otherwise, you won't be able to fully recline it if that is a position that you prefer. If you do need to disassemble it, it's actually pretty easy. This part is Velcroed to the bottom. Lift this up, and you're going to see where it connects right here. You're going to pull these tabs up, and when you lift them up, you can pull and slide this out. Now let's go over what are my favorite things and features when it comes to the Mila glider. So first thing when really trying this out, gosh, it is so soft. I love this fabric that they chose. It feels like almost like a cloud. It's really, really soft and cozy to be able to sit in. I love how it rotates. It doesn't go in a full rotation 360, but it is pretty far. You can see it stops here, and then when I rotate it, it goes all the way to here. That's a really good round rotation to be able to see pretty much anywhere that you want to look in your child's room or wherever you choose to put the glider. It also has a really nice rock to it. And it's quiet, smooth. I'm not going to be hearing it. That's the last thing that we want to be doing, is waking up our little ones when we are trying to rock and drift them off to sleep. I mentioned the recline. Oh my goodness, this recline, it goes pretty much all the way lying down flat, which is incredible. And I love how the bottom also extends up, so it's a nice footrest, which when you are feeding your baby, to be able to elevate your feet and rest is so nice. So having those capabilities with this glider, definitely some of my favorite features. Another one of my favorite features, when you are looking at these two buttons, whenever you are fully reclining and bringing the chair back up, there's two buttons here to be able to do that. There's also two ports, one for USB and a charging station. So if you are needing to charge your computer or your phone, no problem. You can easily do that right here on the inside of your Mila glider. I think that's super cool and a really great feature for the new modern parent. Another great feature I really like are these pockets on the side. There is a good deep pocket on both sides of the Mila glider. I find this really convenient to be able to put whatever it is that you need close by. So if you do put this near a television, you can put the remote here. You can also put magazines, books. If you're reading baby books or breastfeeding books, baby sleep books, whatever it is, I think having whatever it is that you need close by in these pockets is super easy, convenient. So love that they added these additional pockets. As a baby planner of 14 years, this Mila glider is definitely a piece that I will be recommending new parents. Just like the Chita Living furniture line, this piece is beautiful, modern, classic, and it also contains some wonderful features that I think parents today will really enjoy. Also, for the price point, for the quality and all of these great features, I think it's definitely something that any new parent would love to have in their nursery. For more information about the Mila glider, go to our description for the link. And if you liked this video, be sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more videos like this. Thanks so much for watching. See you next time.